Hi, Milorad here. Today we are going to cook Sopa de Carne Molida, and that is a ground beef soup. And to do that, we have all ingredients lined up here. We have carne molida or ground beef. In this case, we have 80% lean and 20% fat. We will use these beef cubes, and here we have yellow zucchini. We have another zucchini. I'm not sure what's the name.
Is that squash? Pepino?
Or Melina, what's the name of this one? No.
En español. Pipián.
And then we have this kind of squash or zucchini. It's called pipián in Spanish. We have carrot. We have one potato. We have 2 small sweet peppers. We have 1 tomato. We have big onion. I'm not sure we will going to use the whole, but it's here. And we will use complete seasoning here that we have. And to cook this soup, we will ask our friend Orblina to make it for us. And let's go and start cooking. Okay, we will start our cooking the soup, and in the same time we will kind of testing this pot that is like Dutch oven, but it's actually very light, because my mother-in-law cannot use that very heavy Dutch oven, and my nephew bought this one for her, and we will use it for the first time. What else do you have there? Tomato?
Tomato, onions, and peppers. Bell peppers.
And bell peppers. There it goes, the ground beef. That's a big chunk of ground beef. It's going to be lots of soup, huh? We are adding this seasoning, complete seasoning. We will also put dry basil. Now we will add hot water from the percolator that we just bought. and we like this percolator because you can set up different temperature of water, and also it's kind of clear plastic. Is it plastic or glass?
It's glass.
Glass?
Yes.
Okay, and you can see actually when your water is boiling, and it also beeps when it's ready. We like it. Okay, soup is taking shape. Now we will add carrots and potato
First.
in the soup. First, and we will add the zucchini or squash later on, because these carrot and potato take longer to cook.
I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, we will cook it for 20 minutes on the probably medium high?
Yeah, and high.
On high.
So we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little rice, because we forgot about it. 1, 2.
It's good.
How many?
3
Three.
big, 3 spoons.
3 spoons of rice.
Yeah, ya está.
It's looking good.
Let's see how it's boiling. Ooh, nicely. And now we will add those zucchini, squash, 2 different ones, because they need just a couple minutes to cook. Is that true?
Yep.
That's it?
Now you're gonna turn it down. Isn't it open and then it's gonna cook by itself?
Yeah.
You're gonna turn down the.
Okay. That's the soup.
Ready to taste sopa
De
de
carne.
carne molida,
Correcto.
or ground beef soup. And with ground beef we also have some vegetables here, and I also have this tortilla wrap that I'm going to use when I eat this soup. Now let me taste the soup. And why did we make this soup? Because the other day our friend cooked this soup at her house and brought it here, and I like it so much that I asked her actually to do and cook it today here in our house. And as I taste it now, it's really good. It's very rich, and these zucchinis or squash pieces are still a little bit crunchy, and that's actually what we like. It's not mushy because we didn't cook them too much, just right amount of time of cooking. Now I will try with this tortilla wrap. And with this rice in it, you actually have complete meal. You have meat, you have vegetables, you have rice, and it's really good, especially on these days when it's kind of almost end of winter, but still a little bit cold outside. And this hearty soup is ideal to warm you up. And that's it. I will finish this off the camera. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for videos about cooking and other stuff that I put on my YouTube channel. Milorad, out.
Tortilla. Now you give it a taste. Delicious.
Riquísimo.
Riquísimo.
Pero me falta un serrano.
Serrano. You want a serrano? Okay, I'll get you serrano. You both enjoyed it.